Apollo 11, The Eagle Has Landed by John Barry. 3 men sat in a rocket. They heard the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The rocket roared into the sky. The force of the engines pushed the men back in their seats. They were going to the moon. It was July 16, 1969. Into space. The rocket went up and up. After 11 minutes, it began to orbit Earth. The rocket had to fly around Earth 1.5 times. Then its engines fired again. The men smiled. Earth was behind them. They were leaving. The men checked their tools. They rested. They looked out the window. Space was black and full of stars. They reached the moon in 4 days. 2 of the men got into part of the rocket. This part was called the Eagle. It began to descend. On the moon. "Houston," one man said. "The Eagle has landed." He opened the door. The captain climbed down a ladder. He stepped onto the moon. He was the first person to walk there. Then he took a photo of the next man to touch the moon. Exploring the moon. The men explored. They walked around. They collected rocks and dirt. They did tests. They took a lot of photos. There is no rain on the moon. There is no wind. A footprint can last many years. The man put up a flag. One man hit a golf ball. It went a long, long way. They spent 2 hours on the moon. Then they climbed the ladder. It was time to go. Engines fired. Up they went. Soon they were back on the main rocket. They headed for Earth. Back to Earth. They looked out the window. Earth grew bigger. They were getting close to home. The rocket splashed into the Pacific Ocean. The men got into a boat. A man from the Navy swam over. Everyone was safe. The first moon trip was a success.